Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogl here at Target Trading Academy with today's micros market recap. Let's get right into it. It is September 29th. It is a Thursday, just at the New York close. Get right into it with micro oil. So we opened above the range and closed from yesterday. We just had some initial sideways action before they decided to pull down into that range. And it was a grind today in all the markets, I'll just say that. But plenty of opportunities to go around. Once, twice, three times. Handful of opportunities here for us. With that said, we did finish net down from yesterday's close in oil. It was pretty high up there, so they got it right away. As far as gold goes, gold opened inside of its range below that close, had some initial volume up, hitting that HVA edge and just getting smacked right at that news and came back down. So they fought this area for quite a while and had to recover, and then drove it up further, especially towards that afternoon, and then closing at 130 around here. They made that move to try to get to that close, but they never quite got it. And so we are closing, actually, sorry, they did get it, but we are closing slightly down. So about a point or so. It was around here. As far as our equities go, another sideways day, but more so on the down end as opposed to yesterday's up end. If you recall, yesterday they had it was pretty sideways and choppy, and they made that incline drive up. But today was pretty much the opposite. We opened well below the close and just had a immediate sell-off, and then you can see they just kind of consolidated in the area. And it did take a while, but they did make new lows. And then they made new lows again, and they just brought it back into this main balance here at this HVA edge. Similar story in the NASDAQ, micro NASDAQ, opening below the close and just that selling that came through. A little bit more selling in the NASDAQ than the ES and the Dow. NASDAQ definitely led that charge today with selling, but again, plenty of opportunities when it came back to those HVA edges. Now, with that said, this is the contract low that we had. There'll be a new one around here now, but there is nothing below those contract lows or above the contract highs. It's just what it is. There's no participation until you make participation in that area, and that's what happened today. So most likely we'll have some levels in this area for our students for tomorrow's trading, but there were no levels down here as we hadn't been there during this contract. So keep that in mind if you're ever confused. With that said, again, finishing net down for the day. If you are interested in finding out more information about these levels and how you can get them onto your charts the evening before the next day's trading activity, feel free to reach out to us. If you're interested in seeing the student submissions that are based around these levels, watch the win-loss break-even videos that are put out each day as well. And then if you just want to learn how to trade futures in general, again, feel free to reach out to us. We are Target Trading Academy. You can find us on Facebook or go to our website at targettrading.co. Again, that's targettrading.co. Get in touch with one of our consultants at either location. They'll gladly show you what we do in our rooms each and every day, and you'll be able to see for yourself why we are the #1 trading education company in the world. We look forward to seeing you there.